All right, we've got some more tools to unbox today. This is the pliers and wrench set by CraftZone. There are 10 different pieces in here, and it's supposed to also come with a handy storage rack so that you can keep everything organized. Okay, let's open the box and take a look. Let me pull this out. Okay, I am digging this organizational tray so you can keep everything together. I'm gonna lay it down on the side so that we can look at what each one of these are. First up, we have these mini diagonal pliers, and sometimes we just call these wire cutters. They are spring-loaded, so they're really easy to use. These are great for cutting wires. Next, we've got these mini linesman's pliers. These have the ability to cut things or get a grip on things, and they're also spring-loaded. Next up in the minis, these are mini long nose pliers. Sometimes we call these needle nose pliers. These are great for cutting or gripping. And then lastly, of the mini pliers, we have these mini bent nose pliers. As you can see, the nose of these pliers goes off at about a 45-degree angle, so these will have some very specialty gripping applications. I'm going to say that these 4 mini pliers are going to be really great for any type of delicate work, maybe jewelry making or crafting or something like that. Okay, let's move on to the bigger ones. So first up, we have this, and this is just an adjustable wrench. So you can use this turny wheel here to set it to a particular size that you need, and then you turn your bolt. Next up, we've got these 6-inch long nose pliers, and again, we often call these needle nose pliers. So let's compare to their smaller counterpart here. So now you can see the 4-inch needle nose pliers against the 6-inch needle nose pliers, and they would be used for mostly the same types of applications. Here are the 6-inch diagonal pliers, and again, often call these wire cutters. So here you can take a look at the 6-inch diagonal pliers versus the mini diagonal pliers. Next is the 6-inch linesman pliers, and we'll take a look at those against the mini linesman pliers. And then a couple more specialty items. These are 7-inch locking pliers, and of course what these do is once you squeeze them, they lock in place. And you actually need to press this release lever before they will open back up again. So if you need to keep something locked in place, these are the type of pliers you'd use. And finally, 8-inch groove joint pliers. And back when I used to do electrical work, we called these channel locks. So I'm not sure what the reason is for the different names, but basically you can set these to different sizes or different widths depending on what you need to get a grip on. And if you have to get a grip on something round, these are really, really handy. They let you bite down and twist. So all in all, this is a great set of pliers. There are hundreds of different applications for the tools that you see here. So if you need a set of pliers, this is a very economical way to get all of the different types of tools that you would possibly need.